The dashboard is the place you will visit most in GrowTrack. It is not where you enter data. It is not where you plan months ahead. It is where you understand what matters right now. Think of the dashboard as your daily briefing. GrowTrack looks at everything you've already set up. Your gardens, your beds, your plantings, your local conditions. Then it brings the important information to the surface. The dashboard answers one question. What do I need to know or do today? You will see tasks here. These are actions GrowTrack believes that are worth your attention. They come from your plantings and the stage they are at. Nothing is random, nothing is generic. You will also see alerts. Alerts are not instructions, they're awareness. Frost risk, heat stress, timing changes, weather shifts. They are here so that you can make better decisions, not rush into action. You may also see signals about what is coming soon. Upcoming plantings, windows, approaching harvests, changes in conditions. The dashboard is designed to save you time. You do not need to check every tab every day. You do not need to remember everything yourself. GrowTrack watches in the background and tells you when something matters. It is important to understand what the dashboard is not. It is not a to-do list that you must clear every day. It is not a warning system that demands attention. It is not something you can get behind on. You stay in control. Some days you will act, some days you will simply take note. When something on the dashboard catches your attention, it points you where to go next. That task may lead you to a planting. An alert may lead you to a bed or a garden. If something feels unclear, Rowan is there to explain why it matters. The dashboard highlights other areas, handle details. Most users spend less than 5 minutes here each day. Open GrowTrack, check the dashboard, take action if needed. Close the app. That is how GrowTrack fits into real life. The dashboard works because your gardens are defined correctly. Gardens give GrowTrack context. They define environment and conditions. In the next video, we will look at gardens in detail and explain why they're the foundation of everything else.